video has frozen. No, it hasn't. Come on, Michelle, sing. Go. Go. Take the sunrise. I don't even know that song. What? Look at that epic, like, pedo moustache. Anyway, hello, L4DDarkVampRaven here, and we're going to be giving you an unboxing today of this beauty, which is our new 30-inch, that's new 32
LCD
HD TV. Thank you, show model girl. So we're going to unbox it. We got it off Sainsbury's for, what was it, 170? 180?
You ordered it.
I know, I ordered it. Yeah, hang on, let's get a perspective of this. Wait, I don't start knifing. It's not Christmas again. So there we go. So it's a whatever that says. What's that? A Celsius. A Celsius. It's like 4 HD spots, 3 view, like HD ready. You know, it's a 32. So it looks quite good. Obviously it's LCD because I didn't want to get any of that LED, that kind of stuff. Because for one, that costs more, and for two, I don't know, just I didn't really want it. I'll set the cam back up. Oops. Is that right? I don't know. Oh. Okay, right. Let's get the box on the floor. Let's get it on the floor, and then we can take it out. Oh crap! I've got to block my address. Hang on, let's just get rid of that. There we go. Okay, right, do you want to give me your knife? Okay, you got your knife, yeah?
That was mine.
Well, where's your knife?
Yours is that.
Alright. This is my knife. There is one many knife, but not like this knife. Okay, right, you do that side, and I'll do this side. Right, done?
Yeah.
Whoops. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you cut open the box. See you tomorrow. Okay, right, let's get into this. Okay, right, there's going to be a lot of styrofoam in this. Right, okay. So what we've got here, we've got our controller. We need a controller. Styrofoam. No. Ow, okay. Got a headache now. More styrofoam. Okay, right. If you hold the box, then I'll show everyone the lovely remote. There we go. Look at that lovely controller. This is a brand new Samsung free controller. It comes with 36 buttons, or less. So there's the controller. Right, let's get this out. Right, hang on. Do you wanna grab a part of the telly? No, grab it. Okay, 3, 2. You got it? 1. What do you think so? Oh god.
Box is coming with it.
Okay. Hang on, wait. Okay.
Headphone.
Whoa, okay, there we go. Alright, okay, what else have we got on here? We've got more styro padding, and I'll see you next week.
What's that thing with the buttons? I think that's just the
yeah, these things that they give you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take this off.
Careful.
I know what I'm doing. Okay, so take this off. Right, I'm going to put that over there. Okay, this actually looks quite nice. We'll have to get it back in the box afterwards. Okay. Okay, yeah, this actually looks really nice. Does the sound really on it? Yeah. Okay, yeah, it actually looks really good. So if we can just stand it up. Now,
wait, lift that up.
what?
Lift that up.
Has he got a scarf? Got 2 scarves. Got so it's got 3 HDMIs. Did it say 3 or 4? So it comes with 4 HDMIs. There's only 3.
Right.
That's that one. There's 3 here. Where's the other one? 2. Oh, there might be one in the side. Yeah, there might be one in the side. Okay, cool. So you can't really see that very well. Tell you what. Well, there you go. So yeah, there's the TV. It doesn't look like a 32-inch from here, but yeah, that's the TV. Now let's give it a close up. There we go. And no, she didn't come with it, but you can order her separately. Go to Craigslist.com and you'll find her on there. So yeah, that actually looks quite good. What do you think? I think it looks really good. Really good size. Let's show the back. You turn around the TV at the back. Show the back of the TV. Can't really see it very well, obviously, because the cam's a piece of shit and obviously it's on a black bed. So do you want to just turn it round? Hang on. I'm doing a Gavin video, yeah. So you can see there is, well, you can't see, but we've got the HDMI ports here, the wire 2 SCARTs, an AVG, an aerial. What else we've got? We've got colour SCARTs. There's more colours on the side. I think that's more HDMI on the side as well, so that's good. I don't know what that does. So that's the back. And, it's anywhere we can put it where we can get a good kind of, I don't know, view on it. Maybe if we put the box behind it or something, it might look a bit better. Now turn it around again. It's on a black bed, so people can't really see it. Put the box behind it, might be able to do something. Controller!
Is that bad?
Controller! Yeah, hang on, sort of. Yeah, so there we go. It doesn't look like a 32-inch, but it definitely is. So you can see, you can kind of see on the box there, it does say 32. So there we go. So that is our new TV. And again, you can't really see it because of the black bed, but I'll take it back a little bit. There you go. And again, Craigslist.co.uk to find that. We got this off Sainsbury's on sale for 170. It still is on sale. It will be on sale until the end of January 2013. So if you want to pick up this sort of TV, you need a new 30-inch HD TV, you need a bigger TV, you don't mind it being LCD or LED or whatever it is, then there you go. I think that looks really nice. Furnished at the top there. The stand is quite rectangular, but you can't really see that. So there we go. I think that's it. What do you think of the TV?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah, it'll look nice once it goes here. It'll be replacing this TV. This is what's this one? Is this a 22 or 20? Not quite too sure what that one is. I think that's
Wasn't it a 21?
I don't know. I think it's a 20 or 19. It's about a 20. I think that's a 20. So that will go there, where that goes. So that will be cool. So that will go there. Computer screen, and then that will go there. So it kind of looks like the same shape really when you look at it like that. And when you look at it like that, so that will go where that one is, and then this one will probably go as a backup TV. So there we go, and that is, put the camera myself. So that is it. So thank you for coming to this TV unboxing. I have been L4DDarkVampRaven with my very weird looking moustache here. Yourself, come on.
I'm Michelle.
And look at that light. Look at that light. Oh, it was like really bad light. Yeah, and we'll join this new TV. Shame we can't put the screen on really, because then it would show just how big the TV actually is. But yeah, so it's a what is that? A Celsius. It's a Celsius. You know, don't know if that's the best TV make. It's probably not, but oh well, it doesn't matter. Looks nice to me, so it doesn't really matter. Anyway, so this is us, and we'll see you next time. Palestine fight. me with it. Ow. Do it again. What? Ow. Okay, that. Ah. Let's go set this TV up.